Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're experiencing no server found while browsing with the Mozilla Firefox web browser on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the three horizontal lines up at the top left corner of this window and select Network and Internet. You want to scroll down and you want to select Advanced Network Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And then you want to select where it says Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. And this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Go ahead and select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Go ahead and select Yes. And we will be signed out to close out of here and go ahead and restart your computer. You will need to have your Wi-Fi passcode nearby because once you restart, you will need to enter back in that passcode if you want to get back on the internet. And there you go, guys, and you should be able to connect back to the internet. If using an Ethernet connection, you shouldn't have to enter in a passcode for your Wi-Fi, obviously, but pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.